Imagine making shoes in your mother's laundry room after a world war destroyed your country. Now imagine those shoes becoming one of the biggest sports brands on earth, competing against giants and worn by millions of athletes. This is the story of Adidas. The story begins in a small town called Herzogenaurach, Germany in the year 1919. A young man named Adolf Dassler, known by friends as Adi, loved sports. He noticed that many athletes were talented, but their footwear was poor. He believed better shoes could improve performance. After returning from military service, Adi started making sports shoes in his mother's laundry room. He didn't have modern factories, he didn't have investors, he didn't have social media. What he had was a belief that athletes deserved better equipment. Adi spent years experimenting with shoe designs. Then an opportunity arrived. At the 1936 Olympic Games in Berlin, American athlete Jesse Owens wore shoes made by Adi. Owens won 4 gold medals. The world noticed. For the first time, people connected outstanding athletic performance with Adi's shoes. This was one of the earliest examples of athlete endorsement marketing. If you are enjoying this story, take a second to support Story Songs. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. Drop a comment below and tell me what part of this story hit you the most. And if you know someone who loves business or success stories, share this video with them. Also, if you want the full written version of this story, you can download the PDF from the pinned comment below. Now, let's continue. Adi worked alongside his brother, Rudolf Dassler. Together they built a successful shoe business. But over time, disagreements grew. The brothers eventually split. The separation became so severe that each brother started a competing company. Adi created Adidas, Rudolf created Puma. One family dispute created 2 global sports giants. The name Adidas came from Adi Dassler. The company focused on innovation. They continuously improved football boots, running shoes, and athletic equipment. Instead of selling products, Adidas sold performance. Athletes wanted every possible advantage. Adidas positioned itself as the brand that helped them achieve it. Success wasn't guaranteed. Over the decades, Adidas faced strong competition. Economic downturns, changing fashion trends, competition from Nike and Puma. At times, the company struggled, but it kept reinventing itself through innovation, sponsorships, and global marketing. Today, Adidas is recognized in almost every country. Its famous 3-stripe logo has become one of the most recognizable symbols in sports. What started in a laundry room became a multi-billion-dollar business, not because Adi had money, but because he solved a problem. Athletes needed better shoes. He dedicated his life to providing them. Number 1. Lessons for entrepreneurs. Number 2. Start where you are. Adi started in a laundry room, not a factory. Number 3. Solve a real problem. Better shoes for athletes. Number 4. One customer can change everything. Jesse Owens helped put the brand on the world stage. Family businesses need clear agreements. Number 5. The split created Adidas and Puma. Innovation beats size. Number 6. Small improvements made Adidas globally competitive. Don't miss our next story. Subscribe now.